Today we're diving into Screenity, a free screen recorder extension that promises to make capturing your screen a breeze. But does it live up to the hype? Or are there hidden catches that you should be aware of? Screenity is a browser extension designed for recording your screen, and it's available for Google Chrome. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a huge plus for anyone who might not be tech savvy. You can capture your entire screen or just a specific tab, and it allows for webcam overlays, which is great for tutorials or presentations. What really stands out is the built-in annotation tools. You can draw on the screen in real time, which can be super helpful for explaining things visually. However, while it boasts decent recording quality, I did notice some limitations with resolution options that might not satisfy everyone, especially those looking for high definition output. The intended audience seems to be educators, content creators, and anyone who needs to share information visually. But honestly, if you're looking for advanced features like cloud storage or extensive editing capabilities, you might find Screenity lacking. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Screenity is completely free, which is a big draw. The ease of use and the annotation tools are definitely highlights. However, there are some frustrations to consider. For one, the lack of advanced editing features means you'll need another tool if you want to polish your recordings. Additionally, I've found that the extension can be a bit buggy at times, causing occasional lag during recordings. Trust is another concern. While it's open source, not everyone is comfortable with browser extensions that have access to their screen activity. If you're cautious about privacy, you might want to think twice about using it. Overall, it's a solid choice for casual users, but pros might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Screenity is a decent free option for anyone needing a straightforward screen recorder. If you're an educator or a casual user, it's worth a try. But if you're after more advanced features or have serious privacy concerns, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.